Hi, Dustin here. I'll be showing you the ins and outs of our beta version of Zoom Dining. It's important to note that these videos also apply to on-the-go dining subscribers. So let's get started. The first step is logging into your company page. You'll be given a username and password when you agree to participate. To log in, simply type in your designated username and password and click on the orange login button. You'll be taken to your company setup prompt. You'll have the option to hit setup or ignore. So what we want you to do is hit the setup now button. And you have reached the first stage of your company setup. In this phase you will see 6 buttons. Let's begin by pressing company information. This first screen is where you put your basic company information. There are spots for your name, address, and phone number. You will also be asked to input your sales tax rate. Your company URL can be added, and you may select your restaurant's cuisine or cuisines from our vast drop-down list. Finally, you can write a great description of your company for users to read. When you are finished, simply hit Save and Proceed. But fear not, as you can always go back and make changes whenever you want. The next screen is a map view for your company. Make sure your location is correct, and if so, press Save and Proceed. If it is not, you can move the location icon to be where it is supposed to be by clicking and holding on it. Then move it to where you know it should be. This next screen pertains to your business information. The first section is regarding your policies. What is your policy on smoking, parking, Wi-Fi? Well, I have Wi-Fi. I have on-site parking, handicap accessible, and child friendly. Now your amenities might be quite different, so you can customize it any way you choose. The next section is very important. It's the takeout section, and it is an extremely valuable tool. Customers can view your menu and make orders to pick up. If you plan to have a takeout menu, make sure you select Yes. Clicking No will prevent patrons from placing orders from their mobile devices. If you selected Yes, the following sections allow you to define the amount of time before takeout is available and when takeout availability ends. The next box asks you when you want Zoom Dining to send you an email to remind you to update your daily specials. Anytime that you choose, you can just put in. The next section lets you specify your company hours. You can set your hours by clicking on the clock icon in each box. See right here. You can use the up and down keys and scroll through the times, or you can simply click on a number and a box will appear. The hours are displayed in 1-hour increments, and the minutes are displayed in 5-minute increments. If your hours don't vary from day to day, simply enter in your time for Monday and press the Copy in All button. But let's assume that you have a 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. schedule every single day and a 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. schedule on Saturdays and Sundays. So what we do is we will copy it off of the first one, and you'll see they changed. And we'll just change this to 2. All done. This next section is quite important. You'll be asked if you want to offer a loyalty program to your customers. This is one of the most valuable features built into Zoom Dining. You will also be asked if you want to have food, drink, and happy hour specials, which we highly recommend as this will be a powerful marketing tool. For on-the-go dining participants, only food specials apply if you offer them. Finally, you'll be asked if you will accept reservations. This will allow users to make reservations directly from their mobile devices. This is yet another valuable feature included in the Zoom Dining package. Some of these options are not available for merchants participating with on-the-go dining. The final step is determine your average plate cost, and when you've made your selection, press Save and Proceed. Now the next screen is where you put all of your pictures. The dimensions of each picture is listed. You can even have a photo gallery if you choose. Simply click on the upload buttons to your desired photo section and find the images on your computer. After you are done, hit Save and Proceed. And remember, these images can be changed whenever you want. And now we are now in the happy hour section. This section only applies if you offer a happy hour. If you do, simply type in your happy hour schedule. If you have none, simply hit the button labeled None. Let's do that for right now. If you find that you do want to have a happy hour, all you have to do is hit Open and put in the hours that you want. And it's that simple. The final screen is for vacation days. If your company will be closed all day, simply type in the name of the holiday you are closed, the date, the times, and press the button Add. When you're done, hit the button Finished. Let's do it together. We want to make sure the hours exceed your operating hours for that day. And you'll notice now it's here. Now I put a Q next to the S, so I'm just simply going to edit this. And I'll erase the Q. And hit Update. And boom, there it is. When you're done, just hit Finished. At this point, you'll be redirected back to your 6 options. And to get back to your dashboard, all you have to do is hit the word Home. And this concludes part 1 of your company setup.